Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. Today, as part of the inspirational tips, we are going to show you one trick that we use when we have holes in the wood. Basically, it's woodworm, old woodworm, so it was treated before we started the sanding and painting process. What do we do? Let me show you. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay? Let's go. So here is a wooden table. Basically, it was dark wood, as you can see. Here it's underneath. We completely sanded it down from the front and the legs. As you can see, it's completely clean, and this part is going to be with white wax. But we had a problem. There's a lot of woodworm holes, as you can see over here. Okay, so what did we do? Well, the first process was cleaning, of course, heavy cleaning. Then it was heavy sanding, and then afterwards we gave another thorough clean. But the holes, the woodworm holes, we couldn't see them properly because it was still wood. So the next step was we gave it one coat of, as you can see, it's unfinished and it is the oh my god moment. We gave it one coat of Rescoli al fresco. Why did we do that? It's very easy. With white we can see the holes and we know where we need to put our wooden stock. And here we started the process. So we had wooden, the holes over here. We started stocking, and the wood stock, we chose it white for the simple reason that the table is going to be in white. The top of the table is going to be left in wood, as already mentioned, and we're going to put a little bit of white wax. So this is the process, and now we're going to pick up a piece of sandpaper and show you how easy it is to sand back after an hour of stocking it. Just going like this, and we have a smooth surface with the holes of the woodworm filled, and the wood is very flat and neat. And now this way we can just clean a bit and ready for some other coats of Rescoli. Obviously, next time we will be showing you the finished table as per our clients' requests. It wasn't an easy process because sanding took ages to finish. We still have some places that we need to polish a little bit more, but we so far are happy with the result and what's coming out of it. So this is a small inspirational video on how to cheat with woodworm holes, how to fill them up. Just a little trick: paint white so that the holes show, and use white wood filler to make life a little bit more easy. Thank you so much for following us. See you next time. Ta-ta. Panik, dawn wara l-anġli miex għawlin il-ġwina. U dak kollu l-panik li għanna għamlu kun irridu l-lestu.